A lot of people start faceless pages on TikTok and Instagram, but not that many take advantage of the faceless pages on Facebook. And not only does Facebook has over 3 billion monthly active users, which is way more than TikTok and Instagram, but they offer ads on Reels, subscription programs, and many more ways to monetize. Plus, unfortunately, TikTok is getting banned soon, or depending on when you're watching this, it's already banned. Ugh. But this is what makes it a perfect time to start up a faceless Facebook page, because the audience on TikTok has to go somewhere. So you're probably going to get more views on Facebook because they're going to need more content from the people that's coming over from TikTok. And I've been doing faceless Facebook pages since around 2021. It's been really good for me. So I'm going to show you how I grew up my pages, how I create content, and how you can get started too. And honestly, it's not as hard as you think, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is pick a niche. This is actually really important because you need to make sure you can monetize that niche. Don't get me wrong, you can pretty much monetize every niche because of the ads on Reels program, but some good examples of categories will be like tech gadgets, cooking, because you can easily offer cooking subscriptions or affiliate marketing, motivational niche / the entrepreneurial niche, photography niche. It's a lot of niches you can do. Just make sure you know how you're going to monetize before you get started. So once you think of a good niche that you want to get into, just head over to Facebook now and just create a page. And once you create a page, just go to that page. It's going to ask you some details, and I want to make sure you create a nice logo and a banner for your page, because you don't want to your page to look unprofessional and spammy. And a good platform to create your logo is Canva. Canva is really simple and easy to use. You could probably create one in less than a minute, literally. So just come over to Canva. I had a link in the description if you just want to click that. Hit create a design, and then come over to logo, literally right here. And let's say you got a cooking page, you can just use these over here. Click on this one, and then click again so you can edit it. Type in something like cooking, and then make it smaller like this. And then honestly, you can keep the waves if you wanted to, and then that easy. You can add in different things, but yeah, cooking waves, and then change that to like cooking club. Maybe change the colors if you wanted to. You can edit it up here, the colors, and change it to like orange, and boom, like just that easy. You can create a logo, and this is a pretty solid logo. You can even make it bigger like this if you wanted to, so I can people can read it easier. But yeah, then just hit share, and that easy. Like literally less than a minute, we have a logo with Canva. And it's the same thing for Facebook banner too. Just type in Facebook, and it'll probably pop up for you. And then just type in banner or cover. Yeah, Facebook cover. And then once you click on Facebook cover, you can even in this search bar right here type in cooking, or whatever your niche is. So different, things related to cooking comes up. So you can use something like this for your background. Cooking with Silk. My last name Silk. And have it like this. You can even change the photo right here to something else if you wanted it to be you, or just delete it. And then boom, just that easy. We got a cover banner for our page too now. So yeah, just that easy. You can create your logo and your banner so your page looks more professional and niched. Okay, so once we get done with that part, this is the very, very important part now, and that is creating content, because you need to create content every single day without missing a beat. But don't worry, it's actually really easy now thanks to AI. You can easily create AI every day. Probably take you like 2 to 3 minutes. It used to take me like a good hour to create content, because I had to literally create all of it back in 2021 and everything before AI really got a big boom. But now it's really, really easy to create, because you can just use a simple platform called ShortX now. So this is the platform right here, ShortX, that we'll be using to create our content. And at the home screen, once you log in and everything, you get some credits. It doesn't cost that much. It costs like $10-12 for like a month's worth of credits, so not bad at all. It's not outrageous prices. You just can hit either AI image short or would you rather, and then I can just click this. And what's pretty cool about them is you can use different templates. So let's say you like one of these templates right here, you can click it and it'll do the style. And what I love about these two is that they are highly engaging. So let me just play a little bit of one. As you can see, it has a lot of movement, it has a lot of effects, it has a lot of transitions, and then the words on the screen is really moving around, like as you can see. So that's why it's the platform is very, very engaging for creating high quality content. And if you stick to posting 1 to 2 times a day, eventually after a month or two, you're gonna start growing if you posting highly engaging content. So just can go through and pick one of your templates, or you just can once you choose a template, let's say you want to do just this template right here, you would need a script now. But do not worry, you do not need to create your own script. That's why we have ChatGPT. Even if you're not in the AI space, I'm sure you heard of ChatGPT. It's pretty much a personal assistant, a really nice one at that. So, it's completely free so you can use it. So you just come over to ChatGPT and just type in, like, let's say your niche is cooking tech. Give me 5 tech gadgets, or, give me a cooking tip, or, recipe, or, or if you just picked yours about random history facts, give me a random history fact. But mine's in cleaning, so I'm gonna say, so I just said, give me a 20-second comedy scary story about a mom who's cleaning an entire house but keeps getting dirty. She doesn't know why, but comes to find out it's because of her 2 young kids and dogs. So I don't know. I just kind of seen a horror thing on ShortX, and I kind of got inspired by that. So yeah, I mean, just, and then just make something like this so ChatGPT can make you a script, like, so hopefully this does good on Facebook. I've never, usually it's just a cleaning tip or something. I kind of got a little crazy with this one, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, as you can see, ChatGPT, they gave you a title. That's actually a really good title for it. The Endless Clean. And then as you can see, a mom scrubs the floor, wipes the counter and sides, finally clean and everything. So yeah, not a half bad script. You can go in, ask ChatGPT to adjust it if you want to, or be like, you know what, this is garbage, create me a new script or something, if you don't like the script at all. So yeah, just use AI to your advantage. That's why, AI is really good, because you just make stuff easier. Come over here and get a nice script, and then, paste it over to ShortX, which is AI too, and just make the content for you, instead of you just making all the content for hours at end. I read this script now, because at first I didn't. This is a really good script, actually. If you want to pause and just read this script too, this last part is kind of garbage, but other than that, this is a really nice script. I feel like it'd be really relatable to moms, that has to clean a lot. So that's kind of what I was going for, because that's my target audience, moms that clean. Okay, once you copied all of that from ChatGPT, got a script that you like, just come back over to ShortX now and then paste it in up in custom script. You probably going to be on suggested AI script, but come over to custom script now, and then once you do that, hit run automation. Then it'll show you how many credits it's going to use. So it's going to use up about 30, and it's going to be about 24 seconds, so not bad at all. And then just hit all good. Let's do this. Okay, so after about 3 minutes, it got done, so it didn't take long at all. And this right here is the clip that we got. Let me play it.
A mom scrubs the floors, wipes the counters and sighs, finally clean. But when she turns around, crumbs on the table, mud on the floor, toys everywhere. Confused, she yells, "Is this house haunted?" Suddenly, she hears giggling. She peeks around the corner. Her 2 kids are throwing crackers like confetti while the dog rolls in a puddle of juice. The mom gasps, clutching her mop. "The ghosts are my own children." The dog sneezes. Juice splatters the wall.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Especially we didn't have to do absolutely no work for it. Definitely like this. A lot of script. The script was definitely amazing. So yeah, you can edit it and render if you wanted to. If you want to use your own images, or if you don't like the video at all, you just can edit and re-render, and it won't cost you any credits for your first one. So yeah, definitely a W2. It'll even give you a description, even hashtags that you want to do. So yeah, once you get it to your liking, so let's say you like it, just hit download, come back over to Facebook, and then where it say reel at, that's what you want to just hit reel, and then add in the video that you just downloaded. So yeah, once I publish it on Facebook now, that's easy. You see how easy that was. Incredibly easy. Just post 1 to 2 times a day. You can even do just straight up text posts using ChatGPT too. I do this as well, because I post 2 times a day. I do 1 reel and 1 text post, and it's really easy to get text posts. Okay, to make text posts, just come back over to ChatGPT and type in something like, make me blank, whatever your niche is, fill in a blank, post for Facebook for moms or dads, or whoever your target audience is. So as you can see, I put in make me a Facebook post in the cleaning niche for moms, and then I just hit enter. And as you can see, the 5-minute nighttime cleaning reset for moms, Facebook post idea, and then it gave me 1, 2, 3 different ideas, even emojis, which I really like. So you just can easily just copy all of this, come back over to Facebook, and then as you can see, it posted it in just like that, which is a really clean, nice post. I'm not going to post this right now, because I just posted that reel. You want to at least give it a couple hours in between. I would say post 1 in the morning, post 1 at night. But yeah, as you can see, you got your 2 posts right there. You can do easily each day. Take you 15 minutes. You can do 4 pages a day, take an hour out your day, have 4 different pages monetized in the next month or two, you know, because it's still going to take some time. It might take you, you know, 2-3 months before you can really get it rolling, making, you know, $300-$500 plus each month. But yeah, just take the time to grow up the audience, and then, you know, once you do, now you can monetize however you want. You'll get the ads on Reels, of course. You can build an app using like Flutterflow, or you can make it a subscription, do affiliate marketing. It's a lot of ways you can monetize. You can even go over to ChatGPT and ask, how can I monetize my cooking page, my tech gadgets page on Facebook or anything like that, and it'll shoot you out a bunch of ideas. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your journey. Until next time.